Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Laugh and Learn. Hope you all are well and doing good in this pandemic situation. So our today's topic will not be related to any English grammar. Today I will provide you some English textbook solutions of Blossom book, especially for West Bengal board. It's very helpful. Which chapter I will provide, I am just telling you. I will provide you the answers of lesson 1, Book of Nature. So let's come to the chapter, lesson 1, the Book of Nature, which is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. I will provide you the answers of unit 1. So, activity 1, let's do. Underline the appropriate alternatives. So, number A option is India is in fact a. 3 options are given to us: big, small, huge, part of the earth's surface. Number A answer will be small. Hope so it's very clearly visible to you all. Small. Next, number B. Once upon a time the earth was too. Again the 3 options are given: cold, dark, hot, for any living being to survive. The answer will be hot. Option C. Fossils are, again the 3 options, a type of wild animal, one kind of hard rock, the remains of old living beings. So the answer will be the remains of old living beings. Activity 2 is answer the following questions in complete sentences. So here is the questions given and I will provide you the answers which I have already written in my notebook. So what's the first question is? Come to the first question. Question number A. What must we do to know about the tale of this world? The answer will be we must think of all the countries as our own and all the people as our brothers and sisters. Now coming to question number 2. How old is our earth? The answer will be our earth is millions and millions of years old. Next, question C. Who roamed the earth before the arrival of the human being? Answer will be before the arrival of the human beings, only animals were there. So with this we have also completed activity 2C. What you have to done is in activity 3 is fill in the blanks with suitable words from the text. Okay, we have to find out the words from the text only. And the first letter of the word are already given in the sentence. So we have to just write the left alphabets to complete the word. So A number, as a subject, dash is quite interesting. So dash is quite interesting and the first letter H is given. So what will be the answer? Any guesses? The first answer will be history. H is already given. We have to write the left alphabets. Coming to next, B. We have good relations with our neighboring dash. So letter C is already given. The answer will be countries. Coming to next, plants need air, water and sunlight to dash. G is already given. The answer will be grow. Can you dash how big the universe is? I is already given in the sentence. So the answer will be imagine. Answer number D, imagine. You should dash regularly if you want to be a good student. So the alphabet S is already given. So the answer will be study. Now coming to the last activity of unit 1. Make meaningful sentences with the following words. I have already written it down here. You just note it down carefully. Number A. Interest. She has a lot of interest in science. Number B. Surface. India is in fact small part of Earth's surface. sea inhabited? Answer will be, that means sentence will be, animals inhabited on earth before us. Last one, scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. So hope so. So guys, this was the part 1 video of Unit 1 answers, and I will provide the answers of Unit 2 in the upcoming video, which will be part 2 of this chapter. Hope so the answers were very much clear to you all, and it's helpful for the students, especially of class 7, right? Who belongs to West Bengal board. And yes, the most important thing, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe it and quickly press the bell icon too to get notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you for giving your precious time.